In this video, I'm going to break down where you need to start. So I want you to assume that you know nothing, forget everything you know, and follow the steps that I will share with you. This will avoid you being confused. So whether you have a negative marker like a CIFAS marker, or if your account's been shut down, or if you've got a CCJ or a default, or low credit scores, or you've been rejected for a mortgage or a loan, forget everything you know. Take all that I'm saying as new information that you want to build upon. Because, for a lot of people, for example, focusing on your credit score is a massive distraction and it's just confusing. So I'm going to step back and break down where you need to start so that you avoid being confused. Now, we have a 3-step framework breaking down how to go from 0 all the way to excellent credit. And this 3-step framework gives you the answer to your issue. So again, if you've got a negative marker, if you've been rejected, if you don't know where to start, just follow this easy, simple framework. So step 1 on the framework is to access all your reports. And this is the actual first thing that everyone should do no matter where they're at. So even if you've got like a really good credit score, again, which is not important, but if you've got a good credit score, still do this step 1 so that you're building on the right foundation. So the very first thing you want to do is access your reports. In the UK, as long as you're over 18, we all have 3 different credit reports. And if you've had an account shut down, or if you know you have a fraud marker, then you can access 3 different fraud reports. And I'm going to break down how you can access all of them right now. And this is the first thing you should do. Again, no matter what issue you're having, no matter what you think you know, please follow these 3 steps. The first thing are your free credit reports. Access your Experian UK credit report, Equifax UK credit report, and TransUnion UK credit report. So literally Google the words that I'm saying. Experian UK credit report, Equifax UK credit report, TransUnion UK credit report. In that way, you should be able to access the PDF copies of all your reports and begin to move forward in, again, having no issues and not being confused. So that's step 1, accessing your free credit reports. If you've had an issue with a shutdown account or you're just being rejected over and over and over again, you want to double check that you don't have a fraud marker, then you want to get these 3 reports. You can literally Google CIFAS UK DSAR, CIRA UK DSAR, National Hunter UK DSAR. With all these reports that you're trying to access, of course, you will need to give in your basic details. Make sure that you're in the correct site. So make sure that you're literally using the words that I'm saying and use UK. Don't end up in the US website for Experian, for example, or Equifax. That will just be confusing. So again, all 6 reports, Experian UK credit report, Equifax UK credit report, TransUnion UK credit report, CIFAS UK DSAR, CIRA UK DSAR, and National Hunter UK DSAR. There's also a guide on this page so that you can literally follow a guide and access all your reports with no issues. So that's step 1, accessing all your reports. What you then want to do is make sure that you have the PDF copy so that you can read every single page. Leading us into step 2. Step 2 now is about spotting errors and negative markers. If you have an error or a negative marker, we want to get them fixed ASAP. And once you watch the second video in this course, it will break down where you need to start, specifically when it comes to removing negative markers, because that's most people's issue. So a negative marker is a default, a CCJ, a late payment on your credit report, and it's a fraud marker on one of your fraud reports if it comes up. And again, AI has made it so much easier to remove negative markers, whether it's on your credit report or fraud report. And with the markers, treat them as separate. So if you don't find a fraud report in your credit reports, I meant to say if you don't find a fraud marker, if you don't find a fraud marker in your credit report, it doesn't mean you don't have a fraud marker. You want to check your fraud reports for a fraud marker and check your credit reports for a negative credit marker. Hopefully that's clear. So access your 6 reports. Now, step 2, if you have errors or negative markers, again, the second video will break down where you need to start and what you need to do. Ideally, for the best result, if you go through our done for you system, again, after you've watched the second video, you will find it easier to tackle a negative marker. But as well, you can still do this all by yourself by following the AI prompts that we've given away. So that's step 2, fixing errors and negative markers. Step 3 now is all about the key factors that actually determine whether you have excellent credit or not. Now, with the key credit factors, there are a list of factors. There's quite a lot of them. So what I've done again within Skool is I've given away a guide which breaks down the factors that you need to focus on. So those are the first 3 steps. And this is where you start on your credit building journey, on clearing your personal name, on fixing your credit. And please, please, please rewatch this, forget all you know, and just follow these steps. So again, it's step 1, accessing your reports. Step 2, fixing errors and negative markers. And then step 3, focusing on the key factors that actually lead to excellent credit. If you follow this framework, you will not be confused. With excellent credit, it's now easier to get good deals and offers on a mortgage, for example, or a loan, or car finance, or even business finance. If you're going with poor credit for a mortgage, for example, or a loan, you can still be approved, but you will pay more. If you want to save yourself a lot of money, if you want to leverage credit to your advantage, having excellent credit is the ideal. So hopefully that was clear. And if you've specifically got a negative marker, then watch the second video in this course. Watch that video like 3 times and it will break down where you need to start. I want every single person in this community to have excellent credit, but this can only be done if you apply yourself. Now, what we do is we go live every Friday to take questions to ensure that you are not stuck. So of course, as I'm giving this to you, a question may come up. So every Friday we are live. We do also have subscription packages for those who want more support. So we also have a premium option where you can access more courses, which goes into more details about the specifics of, different negative markers. That's an option. You don't have to go for it. Just show up Friday and you should be all good. And then the last option we have in terms of, subscribing, if you want to, you don't have to, is our VIP package. If you want more support, if you want to definitely go through our done for you service at a much reduced price, then VIP is there for you as well. Hopefully all that made sense. Again, watch this video multiple times. Start here. Don't be confused. And then once you've watched this video, watch the second video, then you will know where to start, especially if you've got negative markers. Once the negative markers are off, and once you're actually focusing on the key credit factors that lead towards excellent credit, you're doing the right thing. And what we want to do is help more and more people remove negative markers early and actually achieve excellent credit. So make sure you watch this again, then the second video, watch that a few times, and I'll see you soon.